Are you frustrated with CPAGrip because it seems like no matter what method you try, you just can't earn any money? Well, here's a CPAGrip method which can earn you your first couple of $100 online. This is a 100% free method which uses CPAGrip and organic Pinterest traffic. Stick with me until the end of the video because you don't want to miss the crucial information and the hidden gems that I'm going to give you, which are crucial to making money with this method. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do if you don't already have is go ahead and create a CPAGrip account. So to do that, go to CPAGrip.com, go to register in the top right hand corner, and that will take you to this field which you can fill out and create your account. Once you're logged in, your account should look something like this, depending on what page you're currently on. Now what you need to do is go ahead and go to monetization tools in this drop down menu, and then you need to go to URL/file lockers. That will redirect you to this window where we can then create a new URL locker, agree to the terms, and then continue. So here we are inside of our URL locker, and now we can edit it. Now this is very important. You need to change the things that I'm about to show you. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to go ahead and check on auto show offers here. This will make it so when people go to your file locker, they won't have to click anything before they will see offers. And this is perfect for our traffic source and the kind of way we're going to promote these offers. So we've got a bunch of different offers here. Now you're probably going to have free. You can show more offers here. I would recommend you just go ahead and keep 3 or 4 offers. Now there's not a lot of things you need to change, but there is one important thing that you do need to change. So you need to go to show offers. You then need to go where it says priority. Click on this drop down menu here, and you need to find CPA and CPI first, then pin and credit. So go ahead and choose that, then go ahead and hide these offers, and you should get some more offers available. I'm just going to remove this offer, so we've got 3. Now with that selected, when your traffic goes to this page, what's going to show is going to be giveaway offers. So they're going to be giveaway styled offers instead of like pin submits or app downloads. That's because we've prioritized CPA, which is going to give us mostly giveaway offers. So now we're pretty much done with this landing page here. Now the only one thing that we need to add is a locked URL. Now you can send your traffic to anywhere, but to be ethical, what I'm going to do is send my traffic to sweepstakefanatics.com. So we're going to go ahead and paste in sweepstakefanatics.com here, then save this page. Now we can go ahead and get the link to that, and here is the link. Now just to recap, the way that this locker is set up is when your traffic goes to it, they're going to be given CPA offers first, which are mostly going to be giveaway offers like Walmart gift card offers, PayPal gift card offers, and offers that they can enter and in return win a prize. Next thing, you need to go ahead and go to Google Sites. Now Google Sites allows you to create a free landing page, which is going to bridge the gap between your offer and Pinterest. So it's going to kind of be the middleman. So now we want to go ahead and go to blank on Google Sites, and we can create a free Google site, which is essentially going to be a landing page. So here where it says your page title, just enter or just type here free giveaway, or maybe free gift card giveaway. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight gift card. And there we go. And I'm also going to change the font. Okay, so now I've got a header done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to this button here, click on this background, and we can now choose what kind of style we want. So I'm going to go with this one because this one looks pretty professional. Now what I'm going to do is I've searched on Google for gift card giveaway. I've got this image downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and upload this image to the landing page. And this is really the only component we're going to need. So go ahead and then upload this image. So go to insert, images, upload. And then here is the image, which we're just going to make bigger here. Okay, so now we've got our image added, and you can resize it however you want. I'm just rushing this for the video. You then want to add a button which goes to our giveaway. So go to insert, scroll down and go to button. There it is. Give the button a name. So I'm going to call it enter giveaway. Then you want to enter in your CPAGrip link, which you should have here. So go ahead and enter that URL locker link and then paste it in here. Then click insert, and you've now got your enter giveaway button. Now you can choose to have 2 of these. It's up to you. You can have one at the top of the page and one at the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. Okay, so now you've created your landing page, make it as professional as you can. Now you need to go ahead and publish that landing page, give it a web address. Doesn't really matter what that web address is. And then it should be published in a second. So now we can go ahead and view our site. So here is our landing page. When someone goes to it, they can go ahead and click on any of the 2 buttons. And when they do, it's going to redirect them to our CPAGrip content locker here. And it's going to give them actual giveaway offers that they can choose from. And this is great because we're promising a giveaway on our landing page. So they're going to do these giveaway offers no problem because they already think that they're going for a giveaway anyway. So now you need to go ahead and copy the URL of this landing page. And then we need to head over to our traffic source, which is Pinterest. Once you're on Pinterest, you're going to need to make a Pinterest in the kind of like free stuff giveaway niche, which is fairly easy. I'm not going to run you through that. And then once you've got your account, you want to then go to this plus icon in the bottom right hand corner, then go to pin, and then add your title. So keep everything the same here. Make sure you write the same thing that you put in your header, so keep everything the same. So free $100 gift card giveaway, then go to Pinterest, paste that in there. Now what you need to do is go ahead and tell everyone what your pin is about. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this again. And I'm also going to enter in the link of our website. So copy this from here, then go to Pinterest and paste it in. You can add emojis as well. You can add pointing arrows to your link. Do whatever you need to get people's attention to that link. Now we need to add a cover image, which can be real quick created in Canva. So go to canva.com and then you can go ahead and search for Pinterest. So Pinterest pins, then you'll be given all of these pins which you can choose. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one here. Now we can start editing this and make this real simple. So I'm going to delete all of this text here by clicking on it and then clicking delete. Delete this person, and we're just going to go ahead and cover the Canva logo with this. You can get other ones without the Canva logo. I'm going to delete this, and there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag in the image that we used on the landing page. So now I've dragged in that image from my computer, and you can just drag it straight into Pinterest. And then here it is, claim your free gift card. And we're going to have that here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add text here, which is on the left. We'll give it the glow text, and I'll just type enter now. Now we've got our cover image for Pinterest, and you can customize this if you don't like it. Obviously I'm rushing it for the video, but you would make something that looks somewhat decent. This is okay. Then go to share in the top right hand corner and then go ahead and download it, and then download that to your computer. And then here it is. Now we're back on Pinterest. You want to go ahead and click and upload your image. So then here we've got everything set up. We've got our pin, we've got our free $100 gift card giveaway. We've got the link to our landing page, which will go to CPAGrip. Now we just need to go ahead and post this. Now we need eyeballs to this page here, and here's how you do that. So go to Pinterest and just type in free giveaway or free stuff, giveaways, make money online, things like that. And you can see all of these other people doing this method because it actually works. Now go ahead and click on some of these and then go to their followers. Now this person's got 4 followers, so it's not a good example. But this person's got 18,000, so go ahead and click on their profile, then go ahead and go to their 18.2k followers, and you just want to go ahead and keep following all of these people. Now they're going to get a notification that you've followed them, and because they're interested in giveaways already, they're going to go ahead and check out your giveaway, do your CPA offer, and earn you money. So that's the method, and that's how easy it is to get targeted traffic with Pinterest. Now let me know what you think of that, and if you do want a new method, or if you are interested in another video, watch this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.